So I'm going to do a brief demo of the process publishers go through when altering scenes, creating new scenes, and providing content for branded versions of Clove. You'll notice here that we have two instances of Clove running. We have this publisher version and we have the end user version. Now the end user version is what everybody sees that wants to view content from this particular brand. In this case, we have the FIFA World Cup. And in this FIFA World Cup application, we have the World Cup news, we have USA news, and the end user can subscribe to any of these feeds. If they don't like a particular feed, they can simply unsubscribe from that feed, and it will remove that group from their current scene. Now, what's nice about this is that if a publisher makes an update to this particular scene, the client-side version will get updated as well. This includes anything they're subscribed to, and we'll go through the process of doing that. So we're going to go over to this publisher version here, and we're going to add a couple of new columns to this dummy scene I created called soccer. So we're going to add a new column called we'll do whatever's not in here. So we have World Cup in here and soccer. We'll go baseball. Unrelated, but we'll do it anyway just to show how this works. So we'll click done and we'll get a bunch of YouTube videos on baseball. And in just a second here we'll see an attachment that allows us to view the video in line. So there we go. So we have our video in line, and we can watch videos directly in line within Clove. Nope, I guess not. So we'll go to this end user version of Clove, and we will close the application because to refresh subscriptions it takes up to 10 minutes, or until the user reopens up the application. So we'll speed things up and we'll just close the end user version and reopen it up. So we'll go Clove World Cup, and we should see the new column under soccer. There we go. So it just synchronized this column under soccer. Now if we want to alter this column, add new content, remove content, we can easily do that. We just need to go back to the publisher version, and we'll add a new search for baseball. And then we'll click finish. Now we have information coming from Twitter in this column. Now if we go back over to here, like I said, after every 10 minutes it'll refresh, but we'll just speed things up. We'll refresh Clove, and we should see the new feed. So as you can see, it automatically synchronized with my with the subscribed version, and what users have the ability to do is actually take any of these feeds and move them around. So if I want this in my own group and I want to reorganize things, I can easily do that, and it will automatically synchronize content each time. So if I want to unsubscribe from this soccer scene, it will actually remove these columns as well, since they're bound to the subscription or synchronized to the subscription. So we'll remove this and you'll see that work. So it just removed the soccer columns. Now if I want to add a new scene, I can easily do that. As you see here, we have a whole list here, and I may want to add a new item, so I'm gonna quickly do that. We'll go over to our subscribed version and we'll go baseball, because it seems a little more appropriate to have a baseball scene with baseball content instead of baseball content in a soccer scene. So we'll delete this, and we will add a new scene, and then add new columns. So we'll go baseball, and we will add a new feed under YouTube, and we'll go baseball, and then we'll save that, and then we'll add a Twitter stream under new column. Baseball. And then we'll go back to the client-side version. We'll reopen it, and we'll subscribe to our new baseball scene. So we'll subscribe to this, and we'll automatically add the feeds. And there you have it, an easy way to publish content and have it synchronized with branded versions of Clove, all within the same application and the same user interface. There's nothing you have to do online, so